Me roll the herb with purpose, calm, natural balm. No rush motion, no anxious pace. Me control space, pressure heavy from the daily grind. But me unwind, green meditation. Cool me brain, wash this strain. Bobbing a chatter, bounce off me shield. Truth revealed, me not blind, me eyes, me open them wide. The different side, thought them float like cloud in the sky. And pass by, me reason deep while the smoke ascend. Time suspend, smoke rise, mind clear, disappear fear. Smoke rise, thoughts align, sacred time. Smoke rise, slow me rest, ease the stress. I have you, my problem shrink small, not tall. What once seemed heavy lose its weight. Perspective straight, her connect me with ancestral tone. Ancient zone, me hear echo from the elder mind. Time design, me smoke with respect, not abuse. Conscious use, balance, keep the blessing clean. Clear scene, me feet still planted on the ground. While me thoughts unbound. Come mind sharpening a sight. See the light. Smoke rise, clarity, energy. Smoke rise, left me mentally free. Smoke rise. Down fade slow. Truth remain. Peaceful break. Peaceful break. Down fade Smoke rise. Na 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 na. Smoke rise. Na 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 na. Smoke rise. Smoke rise. Na smoke rise. Na smoke Na na na. Roots grip earth like the bassline drum. Steady hum. Vision stretch where the skyline end. Future send. The ground deep, deep in ancestral way. Night and day. Elder voice echo in me head. Words said. But me eyes lift beyond the hill. Iron will. Me respect past, but me chase new dawn. Moving on. Me spirit heavy with ancestral tone, carved in stone. But me hunger fresh, me engine new, forward move. Me carry lesson from the elder days, still blaze. Oh, son, teach me patience, art, calm heart. New fire push me past comfort zone, fully grown. Reflection meet execution clean, sharp routine. Old soul, new fire flame, same name. Past and future intertwined by design. Me not trapped in nostalgia haze, defenses. Me use history for sharpen sight, night fight. New generation feel we son, all around. Me honor roots, but me rewrite fate. Create evolution without losing base. Grace. Ancient art with modern drive, still alive. Is the best ambition fuse? Old son, new fire born strong. Oh la la, timeless truth, future sound. Carry on. Ancient pulse, modern slave, still the same. Ay, ay, ay. Ay, ay, ay. Relief blessed, but me hunger steer every day. Calm mind, sharp plan. Balance man. Me like the herb, but me lace me boots, strong roots. Me not let comfort steal me drive, still strive. Relaxation without direction fail. Me prevail. Discipline turn calm into power tool. Golden rule. Me wake early, focus clean, routine. Herb help me slow, but me mission fast. Will still last. Me smoke for reason, not escape pain. Clear brain, control over impulse, show real might. True sight, true style. Ganja and discipline side by side. Same right, calm spirit, focus grind, align mind. Me meditate, then me execute plan. Action man, maintain and observe, preserve. Discipline remind me finish start. Chant out. Go together upon the code, live as it is. Freedom needs structure too.
Ganja and Zion reggae, yeah man. Sound the whistle, time fi go. Zion train start fi flow. Me pack me faith, me drop me fear. Jah guide and steer through the smoke and Babylon plain. Still roll the Zion train. Me see the people line the track, no turning back. Every soul want right tonight into the morning light. Them tired of sorrow, tired of pain, waiting pon the Zion train. Me chant me song, me spirit strong. Freedom song. Them try delay the engine start, but Jah control the part. No ticket needed, love the key. Ride for destiny. Me see the elder wave goodbye. Me feel my spirit fly. One love vibration rain. Zion train, Zion train, roll on, till the struggle gone. Carry the people home, no more room. Zion train, roll on, steady strong. We all belong. Jah conductor, hold the line. Forward time. Me hear the rhythm from the wheel. Truth me feel. No more division, no disguise, just open eyes. Every station full of song. Me know me belong. Inna the smoke, me sight the flame. Call Jah name. Me sit beside a youth who cry. Me tell him lift your eye. The journey long, but ain't sweet. Love complete. From first breath to final tone, Jah lead we home. No power can restrain Zion train. Every bump, every bend is
Me step barefoot on the morning dew, with chalice in hand, me trod through. Mountain breeze whisper secrets all. Me heart beat steady, me soul feel bold. Each leaf a teacher, each tree a guide. Me walk with Jah right by me side. Me nah need map, me nah need plan. Jah light me way in this blessed land. Irie Trails where me spirit dance. Hype and herbs in a mystic trance. One Jah deep, me mind set free. Me live each moment like eternity. Me sit under fig tree, light me spliff. Give thanks for life, each sacred gift. Bird them chant, river flow sweet. Me chant psalms with ancient beat. No city nice, no digital screen. Me vision clear, me soul stay clean. Meditation roll like thunder cloud. Me thoughts come low, me chant out loud. And when Babylon call, me not hear. Me dwell in peace, far from fear. Me find me joy in the roots and stone. Me build me temple from herbs alone. Me gather herbs in a woven sack. Me carry wisdom upon me back. Each leaf a blessing, each draw divine. Me connect with Jah time after time. Irie Trails where me spirit dance. Hype and herbs in a mystic trance. One draw deep, me mind set free. Me live each moment like eternity. Me blaze for the youth, them lost in town, who never feel earth underfoot ground down. Me call them to hills, call them to light. Show them stars in a darkest night. Me share me fruits, me share me flame. One world, one blood, all the same. No ego, no hate, inna me gate. Just love and vibes, me meditate. Yeah, me nah follow trend, me nah wear mask. Me nah chase likes, me nah do task. Me just chant truth like Rasta should. Me live in harmony, me life feel good. So if you seek peace, come trod with I. We'll blaze a spliff beneath the sky. No hurry, no worry, just pure bliss. Each step a prayer, each puff a kiss. Zion echoes echo far and wide. We bring the roots where truth reside. One rhythm, one sound, one eternal flame. And Jah know I never walk in vain. Le, 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 le. And Zion Ragaya man. Me wake up to the ancient beat. Drum talk under me feet. Wine whisper through the trees. Carry Jah message pon the breeze. From Africa to Caribbean shore. Me spirit open more and more. The call of the drum never fade. It echo through what Jah made. Me hear the elders chant them song. Say Rasta youth stand strong. Them rhythm pure, them message wise. Reach the heart, open eyes. Them teach me how to live upright, how to walk in Jah light. Every beat a prayer divine, connecting soul and time. Me see the world in confusion still. Them chase vanity, goal and thrill. But the drum remind me of me root.
the melody of truth absolute. Me see the youth them lose them way. Me chant fi bring them back today. Cause music heal what pain divide, and love not hide. Call off the drum, rise and play. Guide the people night and day. Beat for justice, beat for peace. Let the wickedness cease. Call off the drum, pure vibration. Unite every nation. Sound of freedom, echo strong. Rasta keep it long. Me close my eyes and me travel far. Beyond the moon, beyond the star. Me hear the ancestors whisper clear. Keep the drum, keep Jah near. Every rhythm tell a tale. Every song set sail. Me carry this sound through the storm. Truth in perfect form. Inna the market, inna the street. Drum beat under me feet. Children dance, women sing. Hope in everything. The world may shake but sound stay pure. The drum keep we secure. Long as the heartbeat still strong. We sing Jah song. Me no fear no system chain. Music heal me pain. From Shashaman to Kingston town. Drum never let we down. Every strike a spark of light. Burn through the darkest night. Jah rhythm guide me home. Never alone. Call off the drum, rise and play. Guide the people night and day. Beat for justice, beat for peace. Let the wickedness cease. Call off the drum, pure vibration. Unite every nation. Sound of freedom, echo strong. Rasta keep it long.
Yeah man, give me the paper, yeah man. Me hear the earth call out me name. Protect the life, protect the flame. Me kneel and touch the holy soil. Bless me time. Mountains speak, the river cry. Jah creation never lie. Man abuse the gift them get. Still Jah not forget. Me chant for balance and care. Clean the air. Me see the forest lose the leaf. World in grief. But love a stronger seed. Planted indeed. Me teach the youth to love the land. Work with Jah and we chant off the earth. Sing loud, lift the people, lift the crowd. Heal the ocean, heal the tree. Make creation free. Chant off the earth, righteous stone. Every creature Jah own. Respect the ground we tread. Live instead. Me feel the rhythm in the rain. Wash away my pain. Thunder roll like I been the drum. Better days soon come. Me dance under the open sky. Spirit high. hear the ancient song again, travel through each vein. It tell me man and earth same one, under Jah sun. So me chant till vice done gone, still live on. Creation singing perfect tone, we never alone. Every wave and every breeze, speak Jah peace. We chant off the earth, sing loud, lift the people, lift the crowd, heal the ocean, heal the tree, make creation free. Chant off the earth, righteous tone, every creature Jah own. Respect the ground we tread, living steady. Earth and man together stand, one divine hand. Me chant till morning rise, bless the skies. Whisper truth, carry hope for every youth. Drums are beat like ancient call, lift the spirit, stand up tall. Me walk through lane where shadows dwell, hear the people stories tell, but deep inside a brighter flame. Keep the soul from fall to shame. Every step I build me mind, strength in places where hard we find, harmony rise in every sound. Push me forward, hold me ground. Storm a come but me still hold firm. Life a school and we all must learn. When the burden heavy upon me back, me push ahead, no time for slack. Voices join in unity strong, turn the struggle into song. Hope I grow with steady pace, light a shine in every face. Rising at the heartbeat, rise again. Feel the rhythm flow through every vein. Lift the spirit, chase away the night. Hold the faith and step into the light. Rising at the heartbeat, never fall. One vibration for one and all. Me hear the elders reason wise, say strength is born when courage rise. Me hold them words like sacred fire, burn the doubt, lift me higher. Forward ever truth me guide. Hope I dwell deep inside, every breath a healing start. Warm the coldest part, crowd a gather, drum a beat. Joy return in every street, voices blend in melody pure. Bring the healing when we endure. Feet a move and hands a sway. Music blaze the worry away. Harmony in every tone, lift the massive as one throne. No division, no despair. Peace a flow through every prayer. Hand in hand we stronger be. Unity unlock the key. Time for build and time for grow. Love I lead the way we go. Rising at the heartbeat, rise again. Feel the rhythm flow through every vein. Lift the spirit, chase away the night. Hold the faith and step into the light. Rising at the heartbeat, never fall. One vibration for one and all.
feel too long. Hold the power of your song. Beat the drum and keep it true. Better days are go come for you. Rising on the heartbeat still. Follow hope and follow will. Rising on the heartbeat still. Follow hope and follow will. Na na na. Na 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 na. Jah bless the people, yeah, man. Heart of a lion beat inside. No fear, no pride. Me hear the drum of truth start roll. Echo through my soul. Me stand against Babylon wall. Still me nah fall. Them spread fear, them spread lies, but me see through them disguise. Jah give me strength to carry on till the morning sun. Me hear the people call for change. Voices strong and strange. Me see the children dance again. Wash away the pain. Heartbeat steady like a drum. Jah kingdom come, come. Lion heart beat strong and pure. Love are the only cure. Rise above the noise and fear. Jah always near. Lion heartbeat never slow. Keep the righteous flow. Every step me take me see Jah live in me. Me walk through the shadow place. Still me see Jah face. No weapon formed against me stand. Protected by Jah and me hold me faith when night fall. Hear Jah call. Me feel the beat within the ground. Ancient holy sound. It guide me back to who me be. Spirit set me free. Lion heart no bend no break. Love awake. Courage come from deep inside. Truth can't hide. When the world turn cold and rough, Jah love enough. Lion heart beat strong and pure. Love are the only cure. Rise above the noise and fear. Jah always near. Lion heart beat never slow. Keep the righteous flow. Every step me take me see Jah live in. Lion heart beat till the end. Love me defend. Me soul roaring Zion song. Forever strong. Na 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 na. Me hear a far off gentle sound. River whispers rolling round. Me mind drift free. Me spirit sway. Ready for chant a brighter day. Me walk along the quiet bank. Give thanks for blessing where me tank. Water shimmer, silver blue. Carry secrets, all and new. Me stop to listen, touch the flow. Feel a rhythm, deep below. It speak of trials, of win. Teach how journeys must begin. A fisherman cast with patient hand. Master of the tide and sun. He tell me stories about the sea. How every wave set people free. His wisdom simple, still profound. Ground me thoughts with stable sound. depth. River of echoes, speak to me. Guide my soul to clarity. Flowing wide, flowing strong. Teach me how to right the wrong. River of echoes, ancient tune. Glow beneath the rising moon. Carry truth down every mile. Wash me heart and make it smile. Me cross a bridge of timber hole. Hear footsteps of stories told. The wood play cards beneath me feet. Steady pulse, so soft, so sweet. Me witness youth dance by the shore. Free like never before. Them turn the river into stage. Calm the mind and lock the cage. Nightfall dress the world in blue. Crickets start to sing anew. Moonlight kiss the water skin. Make it glow from deep within. Me feel the truth rise up again. Flow through me like healing rain. The river carry giant tears. Stories stack from ancient years. Listen close, the current speak. Words of strength for when you're weak. Follow where your spirit go. Life flows sure like river flow. River of echoes, speak to me. Guide me soul to clarity. Flowing wide, flowing strong. Teach me how to right the wrong. River of echoes, ancient tune. Glow beneath the rising moon. Carry truth down every mile. Wash me heart and make it smile. So when the nights get too heavy, find a river calm and steady. Sit and listen, let it show the peace within, the ebb and flow. Ebb and flow, 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 ebb and flow.
Na na na, ganja is the medicine, yeah man. Garden bloom in Zion land, planted by the Father's hand. Every flower, every tree, Zion garden set me free. It grow the herbs, it grow the fruit. Zion garden, Jah root. No Babylon can spoil the ground. Zion garden all around. Zion garden lush and green. Sweetest beauty ever seen. Every leaf a holy flame. Zion garden praise his name. It feed the children, feed the poor. Zion garden always more. Forever holy, never gone. Zion garden shining strong. It heal the weary, lift the
Aye, ganja and reggae. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Me take one step closer today. Jah guide me way through this storm and heavy rain. Still me chant refrain. Me been through trials, me been through fight, but never lose the sight. Jah wisdom led me road, lift me heavy load. Every scar become a sign of Jah design. Me walk with purpose strong, me sing me righteous song. Me see the people search for peace, them soul want release. Me tell them hold on tight, just soon make all things right. Faith like fire, love like rain, wash away the pain. No man can dim my flame. Me call Jah name.
One step closer now.
Jah show me how.
One love, one life, one way.
Me walk it every day. Me no stop, me no fall. Jah guide me through it all. Me see the mountain high, but my spirit fly. No obstacle too tall, just an overall. Me chant for hope, me chant for truth. Bless the wisdom of the youth. Me feel the drum beating on my soul. Rasta reach the goal. Every chant, every cry, lift me high. The journey long, but Jah near. No more fear. Me step by faith, not sight. Jah light my guide at night. Each breath me give tongue. No fear in the wrong.
One step closer now.
Jah show me how.
One love, one life, one way.
Me walk it every day. Me no stop, me no fall. Jah guide me through it all. So when the road get rough and wide, keep Jah inside. Every step me take through, Jah carry me through. Jah carry me through. Rasta man is high and meditate, yeah man. From the dust and from the pain, Jah bring the roots again. Every seed we buried deep, now awake from holy sleep. The sunshine bright, the sky clear. Hear the voice we all can hear. Them think the culture fade away, but the roots no stray. Every drum beat, every rhyme, carry truth through time. Me see the youth them plant again in the heart of mountain plain. Roots no bend, roots no break. It grow for the people's sake. Me walk with pride, me walk with soul. Me chant for peace, me chant for whole. History written by the few, but Jah reveal what true. Them can't erase the lion roar. We stand firm forevermore. Me chant for unity, me chant for love. Every heart blessed from above. Rise at the roots, rise again. Watch the world from Babylon chain. One heart, one song, one flame. Jah glory no man can tame. Plant the love, watch it grow. Let the righteous always know. Me see the children dance and sing. Roots vibration, healing bring. Ancient stories still untold, worth more than silver or gold. Me teach the youth fi honor the land, keep Jah spirit close at hand. Elder teaching a market square, keep the roots, show the care. Every hand plant seed of love, blessing come from up above. Me hear the rhythm flow, the drums beat strong, lift the people with the song. Roots connect every soul, we all part of one whole. Me see the sign, me see the time, Jah reason through the rhyme. Yeah. Rise of the roots, rise again. Wash the world from Babylon chain. One heart, one song, one flame. Jah glory no man can tame. So keep the roots within your hand. It build a nation, heal the land. One love, one heart, one song. Together we rise, we stand strong.
High level reggae, yeah, man. Blaze up on the mountain peak, flames of Zion rise and speak. Not of terror, not of war, but the fire of truth we adore. Vision bright, heart ignite, every spirit bathe in light. Ancient prophets whisper still, Zion fire reveal Jah will. Echo roll across the plain, wash away the guilt and pain. Iron chain they melt away, Babylon fortress start decay. No machine, no weapon strong can withstand Jah holy song. Climb the mountain, see the flame. Every tongue declare Jah name. Fear dissolve, courage grow. Zion fire overflow. Stone by stone, wall collapse. Truth replace the wicked tribes. Yeah. High above the cloud and rain, Zion blaze, remove the pain. Carved in stone, eternal law. Flames of Zion stand in awe. Generations gather near. Fire cast away the fear. Bright eternal, burning free. Zion flame for you and me. Song of drummers, chant of choir. Rise together in the fire. Yeah. In the temple,
Na 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 na. Yeah. Sunrise stop me shoulder. Warm like old friend greeting. Me align my breath with the early chant of nature. Street still quiet, but me heartbeat create the tempo. Me walk smooth, leaving doubts behind like dust. Every thought clear, every step whole purpose. Daylight stretch out long, offering new chapters. Me hear rhythm in the wind, soft but confident. It shape me stride, uplift me core. No need fi rush, the journey guide itself. Me follow the pulse like a hidden drum line. Golden step rhythm, move with steady mind. Carry me forward, leaving all stress behind. Golden step rhythm, lift me spirit clean. Make every moment bright like unseen dream. Me greet life with gratitude, even when clouds gather. Every storm teach growth, every struggle refine clarity. Me rise above confusion, keeping balance firm. Light inside stays strong through every shift. Voices of unity echo around the lanes. People share smile, lifting the whole vibe. Even small gestures build bigger harmony. Me join the wave of positivity rolling through the place. Move simple, breathe deep. Keep the rhythm pure. Everything aligned when intentions stay clean. Golden step rhythm, move with steady mind. Carry me forward, leaving all stress behind. Golden step rhythm, lift me spirit clean. Make every moment bright like unseen dream. Close soft, but my vibe remain warm. The rhythm continue inside, guiding me till dawn. No, no, no. Early dawn. No, no, no. Yeah. Early dawn breeze kiss me fierce. Whole world slow in a peaceful pace. My spirit rise with the morning glow. Calling me forward, feel let love grow. Me wander through the city lane. Hear footsteps echo joy and pain. Some people searching, some people hide, but every soul drifting on the same tide. Me whisper strength to the broken youth. Tell them stand firm, walk with truth. Me see them eyes light up again. Hope bloom fresh like after rain. Me pass the market, colors bright. Voices mix in pure delight. Elder tell stories deep and wise. About how unity lift we to the skies. Me soak it in like sacred rhyme. Words were sharpened every time. Me heart beats steady on the road. Carry the weight of a peaceful load. Golden tide flow, lift we higher. Warm up the world with gentle fire. Every heartbeat find its place. Every soul shine with grace. Golden tide flow, never fade. Turn every shadow into shade. Rise as one, let love decide. We move together on the golden tide. Me see a mother calm her child. Tell him why the world feel wild. Her voice so soft, her courage tall. A reminder love outshine it all. People gather near the shore. Sing them chants from long before. All rhythm move through every ear. Call the people
people far and near. Nightfall spread a velvet glow. Stars them flicker like a show. The drums start beating steady waves, carrying memories of ancient days. Every dance step tell a tale. Faith sails strong like mighty gale. Me feel the unity deep inside, flowing soft like the golden tide. Lift up your mind, lift up your soul. Together we strong, together we all. No fear can break what love create. Every heart born fi elevate. Hear the breeze, hear the beat. Let the harmony make you complete. Golden tide flow, lift we higher. Warm up the world with gentle fire. Every heartbeat find its place. Every soul shine with grace. Golden tide flow, never fade. Turn every shadow into shade. Rise as one, let love decide. We move together on the golden tide. So when the night feel cold or white, let your spirit be your guide. Hold the joy we live inside and float forever on the golden tide. Golden tide. Golden tide. Golden tide.
Na na na. Me step in a garden cool and bright. Blessed sight. Me smell the herb, me feel the peace. Sweet release. Jah in every leaf me see. Harmony. Me plant me seed with love and care. Open ear. Every root, whole life so tight. Pure light. No poison, no greed, me sow. Just grow. Jah Garden Bloom wide and clear. Me draw near. Me see the butterfly and bee work naturally. Them no rush, them flow in tune. Sun and moon, me learn to live same way each day. Jah Garden teach me grace in this place. Jah Garden Bloom, color bright, full of light. Jah Garden Bloom, sweet and strong, right every wrong. Jah Garden Bloom, color bright, full of light. Jah Garden Bloom, sweet and strong, right every wrong. Me share the fruit with me brethren round. Bless sound, me teach the youth fi till the land. By Jah hand, no hunger, no hate me preach. Just reach Jah Garden truth and song. Keep me strong. Me sit and reason with me queen. Peaceful scene. She smile and say life sweet. When heart meet, we build Jah world again. Free from pain. Jah Garden Bloom forevermore. Love restore. Me no war with nature, me flow. Jah know every bloom a scripture clear. We all here. Jah Garden feed the soul. Make we whole. Jah Garden Bloom, color bright, full of light. Jah Garden Bloom, sweet and strong, right every wrong. Jah Garden Bloom, color bright, full of light. Jah Garden Bloom, sweet and strong, right every wrong. Jah Garden Bloom, color bright, full of light. Jah Garden Bloom, morning with you, sweet and strong, right every wrong. Jah Garden Bloom, wide and fair, color bright, full of light. Jah
Garden Bloom. Morning the world, sweet and strong, right every wrong. So when me gone from this earth, remember Jah birth. Plant love, plant truth, inna the youth. Jah Garden bloom again, without